Welcome to Hire for Baby. Are you searching for a flexible way to add some extra income to your family budget? Look no further. With Hire for Baby, you can turn your passion into profit, all while maintaining the flexible lifestyle you love. Imagine being able to work right from home or on the go, creating a balance between work and family. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent or semi-retired, we have the perfect opportunity for you to earn while caring for your loved ones or doing the things you love. You can become a proud franchisee or start as a branch operator. Set up from your home or even on the move. Our branch operators enjoy a low entry cost, and we guide you every step of the way with just an ABN, training, especially for any skilled car seat installers, and a small inventory to kickstart your journey. Once you're up and running, you'll benefit from a flat fee and earn commission on all your sales. It's that simple. Your community needs you. Parents in your area are looking for reliable services, and who better to provide them than someone just like them? Our best operators are often our satisfied customers who know the importance of safety and convenience in a local operator. Ready to learn more? Don't wait. Take the first step towards an exciting new adventure. Book a session with our franchisor today and discover how you can make a difference while earning what you deserve with Hire for Baby. Your journey starts now.